Hi friends, good morning. Today is Saturday, July 16th, and I am going to be spending the day by myself. I'm driving to the beach now, and when I get there, I'll tell you a little bit more about today's video. For now, make sure you're subscribed and check out my description to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and also Spotify and Goodreads if you're interested. This is the playlist I'm going to listen to right now, and I will talk to you when I get to the beach. The time is 7:50. I have made it to the beach. The premise of today's video is that basically I need to learn how to spend time alone. I am seriously an extrovert. I prefer to do things with other people, almost always, and I need to learn to be more independent. I'm in a relationship where we're doing sort of long distance for the summer, and it makes me very sad, but instead of being sad about it, I need to be able to do fun things by myself and enjoy spending time with myself, because it is important to be independent within a relationship. Anyway, so that's what I'm trying to do today. I thought I'd start my day at the beach because this is one of my favorite places. Some other things on the agenda for today. Honestly, this day is gonna go wherever it takes. Like, I will follow the day wherever it takes me. Some other things I'm thinking of doing today are going to the farmer's market. I have to go return some books at the library and get some new books. I was gonna go to the thrift store. I might go to Michael's to get some yarn. I think I'm gonna bake banana muffins. This is maybe gonna be one day, maybe gonna be 2 days. I don't have a specific plan for this video. So stay tuned to find out what I end up doing. Right now I'm gonna sit here and journal a little bit, and then I'll read my book. I have my bathing suit on and I wanna like go swimming, but it's very cold water, so we'll see what ends up happening, but I will keep you guys updated. Hi guys, I'm back in the car now. Sorry about the funky lighting. It's 8:40 right now. I am going to go to the thrift store. My Goodwill opens at 9. I think by the time I get over there, it'll be like almost 9 o'clock. I don't think it'll be a long trip. They're just a couple of little things I was looking at. Maybe some like apartment stuff too, but it'll take you long. Anyway, my time at the beach was very nice. The beach is really nice and relaxing. I kind of wish I was there with somebody else. I would have gone in, but I didn't really feel like going in by myself. I'm going to drive to the Goodwill, and I will see when I get there. Oh guys, also, I wanted to show you what I'm reading right now. I'm reading Under the Whispering Door by TJ Klune. If you're interested in seeing all the books that I want to read in July, I'll put the video up here. This book, I think I need a good like hour or so to get into, so I'm gonna try to spend some time reading today. It's good, definitely. I really like TJ Klune's writing style, but like I just haven't like been able to get into it. I'm like 50 pages in, so anyway, okay, I'm gonna put on some jams. Going to play this playlist right here. All the music, everything I talk about in this video will be linked below if you want to follow my playlist on Spotify. I have some really fun ones. Anyway, this one's called Today's Gonna Be a Good Day. I made it to Goodwill. They open in like 3 minutes, so I'm sitting here for 3 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna take a lot of time to look through all the clothes, but I'm interested in looking at like home furniture, decor sort of things. The books. I'm looking for a photo album. And also, I'll look at the clothes a little bit, but I just don't really have like I just don't really feel like digging through a bunch of clothes right now. Hi friends, sad news to report, I did not buy anything. I was really close to getting this TV stand, but then I got nervous that I wasn't going to be able to fit it in my dad's car to bring to school with me. So I decided to not buy it. It was only $20 though. Here, I'll put a little picture in of it. Okay, I'm gonna go home now and change and get ready to go to the farmer's market. Hi friends, it's 10:40 now. I've been home for a little while. I was just eating and catching up with my dad after being away for a week. And we're gonna go to the farmer's market. He wants to join me, so we're both gonna ride our bikes over there, which is fun. I do have to go to the library and pick up a couple books too, I think, so those are the plans for now. Oh, let me show you my outfit. Okay, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing like a little black tank top and these wonderful Levi's overalls. I think I got these on the Kohl's website, but they're my favorite. I wear them like all the time. All right, I will update you next time something interesting happens. I'm home now. It is 1:25. My dad and I rode our bikes to the farmer's market and we went to the library, which was really fun. We used to do that a lot when I was younger, so that was a fun little outing. I got these three little zucchini. I wish I looked at the garden before I left because we have a whole zucchini in the garden ready to go. But oh, and then I went to the library. I got my 2 holds. I got this book, which people have been talking about all over TikTok, and it's like childhood best friends to lovers, which is my favorite trope. So I'll probably read this soon. And then I got this book, which was recommended to me by a family friend. It was supposed to be good. So I'm gonna take a shower now. I think I'm gonna do a little face mask first before I get in the shower. And after my shower, I have unpacking to do from a trip, so I'm gonna do some cleaning. Okay, hi friends. It's now 4:30. I just put in a load of laundry. I am finishing up cleaning my mess from my trip. I'm just unpacking my things, and then I think I'm gonna sit and read my book for a little bit, but I have to get going on dinner kind of soon. Also, I'm not gonna film me making dinner because I'm filming it for another video, so if you want to see that video, make sure you are subscribed. It will be coming in the next couple weeks. There aren't too many more things I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go see a movie tonight with my mom and a friend. I would love to take a time lapse of me cleaning this, but it's not gonna be satisfying and I don't have a good place to put my camera, so. Hi guys, I just finished cleaning everything up. I'm all totally unpacked and I really want banana muffins. It just is like, I have the fan going. It's really humid and I don't think that now is a good time to turn on the oven. So instead, I'm gonna sit here and do some editing. I have a couple little computer things that I have to do, which isn't as exciting, but it's still stuff that has to get done. So I'll talk to you when I talk to you. Hi friends, it is now Saturday, July 17th. I'm continuing this video on to the next day because I feel like I didn't give it a proper finish yesterday, and I'm doing a couple more things this morning. The first one is finally make those banana muffins that I was thinking about making all day yesterday. I am going to do that right now before the house heats up from the warm day. It's currently 8:07. I'll link the recipe down below that I'm going to use. I haven't picked it out yet, but I think I'm going to do banana chocolate chip muffins. I only have 2 bananas, so the recipe has to call for 2 bananas. My muffins have come out of the oven. I let all the margarine melt on the inside. Okay. They aren't bad, but they definitely taste undercooked. But I left them in for so long, so I don't know, like I don't think they were gonna cook any further. I will leave this recipe in the description. Be warned that it's maybe not the best recipe. They're just like kind of gummy on the inside. It still tastes like a banana muffin, so do with that what you will. Okay, let's go finish this video. Okay, hi, I just wanted to finish out the video here. Conclusions are, I still like to spend time with other people. It is fun though to do some things by yourself. And I think it's important to always remember that you can keep yourself company, especially for me as an extrovert who often forgets that I can do things by myself. But overall, relaxing day. Glad I got up and went to the beach in the morning yesterday. That was really nice. Hoping this video is a reminder to myself that it is a good idea to do some things alone. Let me know if you want a part 2 of this when I get back to DC, where there are even more fun, exciting things to do. Yeah, that's basically all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you made it this far, you definitely should be subscribed, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you are an introvert or an extrovert. I'm like 1000% extrovert, in case you didn't catch that all the other times I said it this video. Check out my description to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, friends.